So hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up and register on your Exodus wallet. So to do this is pretty simple. So as you can see right here, I have just opened the application for Exodus wallet. So Exodus wallet is a multi-chain wallet with no registration. Yes, you heard that right. You don't have to sign up or register. All you have to do is just create a wallet and you already have one. It's just that simple. So all you have to do is create wallet and then it's gonna load up. It's just that simple. It's very straightforward. You just press one button and now you have an Exodus wallet. So you will have to take a tour if you're new to the app. So you can buy and receive right here. So here you can do swapping. You can check out how it works. So you also have here your buying and selling, but unfortunately selling is not available to all countries. So you have your settings here. You can name your own wallet. You have your Web3, you have staking, you have NFTs, you have assets, and many much more. You also have your Lightning right here, so super fast Lightning transactions and very much more. You can add Bitcoin, and here's the terms and condition. So you can receive and you can also so there you go guys. This is the how you sign up or register or in Exodus wallet. So if this video is helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.